Hello everybody. This week I went to, well, when I say this week, I went to Knutsford Truckfest. First time I've ever been there. What can I say? Smaller than expected. Some of the drivers said it was smaller than last year, so that could be the reason. Still enjoyed it. Went in my truck, Turner's truck. Did quite a bit of cleaning on it. Didn't get a chance to wash it before I got there. Ran out of time. The Truckfest was, I bought some bits and pieces. I bought some cleaning materials to help keep it clean, which I'm going to do a review on them very, very shortly. I also bought a cover for the dash, which I'll show later. Pros and cons of the fest. The trucks were well organised. The stalls were, some stalls were at one end and some stalls were at the other ends, and I didn't realise that there was two lots of stalls until later. Some prices were quite expensive, you know, some things. They seem to have upped the prices in the stalls. Like, you know, I saw telescopic ladders, and they were trying to flog them for 100 quid each, and the same ladders were 60 quid-ish on Amazon. Anderson connectors, you know, with wire on them, you know, they were going for 140 quid, you know, and the wire was the curly one, and it was about 8-9 foot. Food was, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, there was 5, maybe 6 stalls of food. Quite poor, the food. I had it's like ripped chicken, chips, curry sauce. The curry sauce, never seen curry in its life. Chips were cold, chicken were cold. £12.50, and it weren't, if I was giving it a ranking, I'd give it a 3 out of 10. So the rest of the time I cooked inside the van. Pint of lager, 8 quid. So yeah, once you got in there, they nailed your hat on. But did enjoy it. Like I say, I got some cleaning stuff and some polishing stuff, so I'll probably do a review on that once I get time. Shout out to all the truckers at Truckfest who I spoke to. Shout out to all of them who asked questions about the vinyls I were doing on the truck. And please like, subscribe, and pass on the information. Link. More subscribers I get, the better chance I've got to get this to grow, the channel. Any links I will put on are links from either the suppliers or Amazon, and they will be affiliated if it's Amazon, so I'll make a small funding on it. Not a great deal, trust me. If anybody would like me to do any trials on the equipment or stuff like that, you know, please get in touch. It'll be an honest review, and you know, it will be my choice how I rank them. So it will be a pure and simply honest review. So that said, so approximately 9 weeks driving now, loving it, still loving it, getting the hang of it now. Still like my Garmin sat nav. Still umming and ahhing about CB radio, amateur radio. Yeah, please like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, anything. It will help with the, I think it's called algorithms, and I will hope to do more very quickly. One of the young lads at the show did ask what my goals were, because I'm 59. My dream would be, and I know it's not going to happen, not unless I win the lottery or somebody donates it or somebody sponsors me or get lots and lots of sponsorship, like a certain trucker who has 2 trucks, a big warehouse, and now he's just bought a big trailer to make a like a house, like a mobile house. Not mentioning anybody's name, but unless I get some sponsorship like that, it ain't gonna happen. But my dream would be to own my own truck, so I can put stuff on it, you know, lights, sticker, you know, make it all fancy as I want it. But I don't think that's gonna happen ever. You know, left it too late. But you know, never say never. Could be somebody out there who's a billionaire who wants to sponsor me. You know, that would be nice, wouldn't it? But you know, not lucky at all. Please link description on the page. You can buy me a coffee and help me support the channel that way, or you can get in touch for reviews. Thank you very much once again. Like and subscribe, and I will try and do another one shortly. Thank you. Bye bye.